Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, August the 15th, 2020. We have here 6 Sudoku, a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary and a tectonic, total of 6 Sudokus. And we will start with the first one. It will be the Sudoku with 1 star. And this one will be number 1352. Yes, 1352. And before I start, I always count the printed digits, the numbers in the Sudoku. The 1 star has probably 27, but we will check. So here we have 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 3 is 19, 20, 22, plus 5 is 27, as expected. So let's get started. How about the number? The number. How about 3, 5. All right. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? Yes, in this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in this box. Here also a 6, so no 6 in that box. Here also a 6, so no 6 in this box. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Then well, 3. We have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 3. We have an 8 and a 3 in this row, so no 8 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the last column should be the number 5. So we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark them for you. It's easier to follow because it's a pair here. these two numbers, 8 and a 9. No. We have a 9 here. The 8 and the 6 are missing. Yes. I mark them also. How about these two numbers should be the numbers 1 and 4. I mark them for you so it's easier to follow. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column the only two places for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 6 and 4. I cannot fill this yet, but I mark them for you. The other 2 numbers in this big square are for the numbers 5 and 7. No, I cannot fill this yet. So a lot of pairs here. How about the yes in this big square 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. Then we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. In the middle row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 there. Here are 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle row, the 2 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be the 5 and this should be the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row above the middle row. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the row below, the third row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. The 2 goes together as a pair with the 8, 2 and 8, 2 and the 8. Then 6, 8. How about the 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, the second row, so on the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. So we have a 2 and an 8, 2 and 8. The other two numbers in the third row are the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. We have here 6 and 4. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. One number left in this column. The third column should be the number 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 6. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 8 should be there. One box left in this big square for the number 4. Then we have an 8 now, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only place for the 2 should be there. Now I have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. Then one box left in this row for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 1. One box left in this column for the number 4. One box left in this big square for the number 4. One box left in this column, middle column, for the number 1. And the final number of this big square for the number 7. We have finished this in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku of today's in the additional. See you later, and bye bye for now.